In this video, I'll detail how to enable low data mode on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So basically, this video is going to be carried out on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and you want to enable low data mode each time you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do when you want to enable low data mode on iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on Wi-Fi. Now, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi so that you'll be able to control the data consumption on your iPhone. And then go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi. Once you click on the Wi-Fi settings page, you'll see low data mode. Then turn this on. This is going to help you to reduce your iPhone data usage over your mobile network or specific Wi-Fi network. You select. When low data mode is turned on, automatic update and background refresh. So that photo syncs are paused. So with that, we are just good to go. So this is going to add low data mode to the Wi-Fi connection you're connected to on your iPhone. So this is best when you are trying to use someone else's Wi-Fi hotspot so that you consume less data on your iPhone. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.